Hi everyone. So my name is Chester King. I'm from the British Esports Association. We're the national body, excuse me, in the UK. And what we've seen obviously is a lot of physical sports trying to get into the virtual world. So we are a national body. We're not for profit, set up 4 years ago with authority from the UK government. So it was really just to say we're going to be looking to partner with people all over the UK to help deliver 5G to different sports organisations. We're talking, for example, with Basketball England. We're talking to the Association Colleges of Sport. And what we want to do is prove the benefits of 5G. We've literally been waiting for 5G. So from a gaming point of view and an esports point of view, we're generally excited. I've got some key points that I put on this slide. But it was really just to say we're ready and to use your infrastructure. There's also a lot of benefits in playing esports. We've just written 3 qualifications with Pearson. We've helped a university. So there's a lot of transferable skills. And if we go to the next slide, please. Just a quick summary of who we are, when we were founded. We sit on the board of the Olympics, the IOC. We also are members of the European Esports Federation and the Global Esports Federation. And we've just got a big focus on helping people and connect people. And that's it. I think it's 2 minutes.